Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Blackview A200 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store and you can't install it. To fix it, go back to the main menu of our Google Play Store, tap on your photo on the right corner and choose Settings. Now we tap on Family, Parental Controls, and there we have PG3. To visible game or application as Mobile Legends game, we need more than PG3. To change it, tap on it, enter our connect pin to our parental control, and now we can easily change it from PG3 to maybe allow all included underrated, confirm by safe, and we have it. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can easily install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!